Are you seeking an affordable new 2-story or ranch home with a fresh modern layout? Look no further than Orchard Meadow in Elyria. This community features low taxes and no RITA, with all kitchen appliances included, saving you money from day one. Enjoy stunning wooded views in this secluded community while still being close to popular commuter routes. Inside your home, you'll find plenty of in-demand features like an open concept kitchen, living, and dining room with a kitchen island. Storing sports equipment and decorations is a breeze, with your full basement and your attached 2-car garage keeping you and your vehicle shielded from the ice and snow. With a variety of 2-story and ranch floor plans, you're bound to find the perfect design to fit your life. There's plenty of space for everyone and everything, with up to 6 bedrooms and options for flex rooms. Your private owner suite makes busy mornings a breeze. Enjoy starting the day in your walk-in closet and private bathroom with a walk-in shower. Complex skincare routine? Choose a floor plan with dual vanities for a little extra space. This private community's cul-de-sac streets, pond views, and winding sidewalks create a welcoming environment perfect for enjoying a stroll through the neighborhood's picturesque streets. With many spacious home sites and options for composite rear decks, your yard will be cookout ready in no time. It's no wonder so many choose to call Elyria home, with its schools, low taxes, and easy access to popular commuter routes. When it's time to unwind, enjoy a delicious meal with friends at local favorites like Texas Roadhouse and Unplugged Brewing Company. Want to know how you can take advantage of the best possible price and get to select your favorite home site at Orchard Meadow? Join the interest list. By joining the list, you'll receive information on floor plans, updates, and invites for appointments that we don't share with the general public. More importantly, Orchard Meadow will open exclusively to you before anyone else. You'll get to schedule your one-on-one appointment, which will allow you to finally see the community for yourself and learn more about it. So join our interest list today. Your future self will thank you.